I put on with LBC. I put on with LBC. Yeah. Snow on the charts, lights on the tree. Wave riders only, you know the frequency. LBC. Let's ride. Yeah. Cold nights, blue screens, candles glow. Charts still moving while the whole world's slow. Santa got bags, but we stacking sets. Red and green candles, yeah, we reading that. Ugly sweaters, but the drip still clean. Liquidity hunts in the winter scene. From the lows to the highs, we don't chase no hype. We wait for the setup, then execute right. Stockings full of patience, yeah, we earn this play. Wrist tight, mindset right, let it come our way. No FOMO, gifts under the tree tonight. Just discipline, vision, and a clean ass entry price. We ride the wave through the snowstorm. Bass hit hard when the bells ring. LBC on the charts, yeah, we locked in. Wave riders eating while the rest drink. Green candles light up the skyline. Cold water top conviction. Silent nights, loud pipelines. Crypto Christmas, new tradition. Eggnog chillin', but the charts still live. Asia session gifts, yeah, the market give. London wakes up, New York take control. We don't pray for miracles, we manage the flow. Family laughing, kids running wild, but I'm still checking levels every once in a while. Now greedy, not scared, just precise. One good trade, pay for Christmas twice. No fall slow like a pullback phase. We wait for confirmation, not emotional plays. No revenge trades, no drunk clicks. Just wave out the rules and a clean ass script. We ride the waves through the snowstorm. 808s knock like sleigh bells. LBC crew stay warm. While the market tells its fairy tales. Red days faded into green lights. Trust the plan, trust the vision. Crypto Christmas candlelight. Wave riders, no superstition. Silent night, but the market don't sleep. Peace on earth, but we still manage risk. From bear to bull, from doubt to believe. Built the shit candle by candle, week by week. Wild wave riders, hand steady. Limit orders, hard ready. LBC, yeah, we built this. Christmas lights on the bullish wish list. Snow outside, charts inside, faith, patience, data collide. Crypto Christmas, raise a toast to the ones who waited, not the ones who bold. From my charts to yours. Merry Christmas, love. Wave rider. LBCO. Rider. LBCO.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way into the ground. We're getting a nice little... seems like everybody's a little bit dyslexic this year. Everybody mistook Satan for Santa rally. Just kidding. Yeah, so how about that Santa rally, guys? It's looking pretty rally-y. Rallying to zero. What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Let's go ahead and say good evening to chat so we can get into the charts. What's going on? All set. Good evening. Good evening. We've got Froth Dog Billionaire. What's going on? Merr. Merr Christmas. Duality C, not of this world. What's going on, Duality C? Good to see you, man. Good evening, Johnny December. Good evening, fam. Out at a Christmas party, just saying hi, and we'll listen until the music gets louder. Nice. Thank you, bro. Thank you for being here and stopping by at least. Retro Mike Tech. Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve. Well, in the trading world, it is already Christmas Eve. So there you go. How you doing? What's going on, ship? LBC is way too good holding to be, looking to be Santa. Yeah. Just got to dye the beard white or get a little older. I've never had a grandparent or a parent or my dad that had a beard when they were older, so I have no idea what it would look like. Probably gray instead of white. All right, let's get shots. How you doing? Sheep pie. All right, looking over here at the 4 hour. Got a nice push up into liquidity today. Let's see. Yeah, 15-minute fair value gap. Came up right into that, tapped it, and rolled over. As expected. I don't see no 15-minute bullish divergences hourly. There was one there, but that looks like it played out. Let's see. We've got this one here. Slight. Of course, last night I was talking about that, how it's just a flat divergence, if you will. So we got a little bit of a move to the upside. The 1 hour actually has wicks on here, but the 15-minute... Wait, which one was it? Maybe I'm looking at the wrong lows. I think it's these lows. Yeah. So on the 4 hour, it's just no wicks. 1 hour. Not even wicks on the 1 hour. 15. Nope. I mean, it closed and opened there, so I imagine not a single time frame will have wicks there. All right, so we're coming back, sweeping this low currently. Let's see what we can do here, if anything. See if we can get a little bit of a bounce. Let's drop down to the 3. Nope. I need music. I think I found the number, 0.38 on the volume. No one's complained. Everybody's been saying it's fine. Of course, I need to turn it down in me headphones. All right, so we did get a sweep here on the 3-minute. Well, that's not what I wanted. Technically an SFP because we did close back above the low, but that same low from over here is trying to act as resistance now. I mean, our momentum is pretty, I mean, it's to the downside. Trying to get a move back to the upside. Money flow is trying to do the same, and our true 7. So, I mean, if these things can all align, get a break above VWAP, access the VWAP, something like this, and everything's pointing up. I mean, I'd take the risk, and I would run it right back up to the highs, these highs. Going for that Monday low. Just trying to get going now, so we'll see what it does while we are live. Took a couple of longs today, got stopped out. a couple of chances to get out. One was here. I just missed the exit, unfortunately. Work stuff. So I ended up getting stopped out there. Actually, it was the same trade, but it was on two different exchanges. One of them I had less margin on, so I actually put the stop below this low on that one. But I just ended up closing it out once I saw this starting to drift down. I just closed it. I didn't like it. I'd been holding it for a little too long from around here, so I was just like, no. Or, sorry, this one, because I opened them at the same time. So yeah, it's all right. Little miniature risk today, small risk today. I mean, probably could have gone higher risks just because low volatility, low volume in general. You know, intraday trade, less risk, or yeah, more margin but less, same risk. Same risk, more margin. There we go. I don't know. I can't really think right now. This thing's really hot, hot and tight. Oh, that's so much better. I feel like I can think now. This is cutting off my circulation. Need a new Santa hat. What's going on, Melissa? One love in the house, LBCOG. Oh, look at that. We got Crypto Billy in the house. What's going on, bro? Hola. How you doing? Thank you for stopping by, man. So yeah, be nice to see this high taken out for a scalp and break above that VWAP. Back tests and then go. Outside of that, got to be careful that this doesn't just wick and reject the VWAP and head lower. So that's why that VWAP, getting above the VWAP, is so important, and that your indicators are also matching price action. Salama's already taken the low. I got bearish today once I saw the SMT divergence. I even said something about it in Alex's chat this morning. Once I saw the SMT divergence between the NASDAQ and the S&P and Bitcoin, that's when I got bearish on Bitcoin. And that was here. So you see, the S&P broke its high here. Okay. Let me actually, let's do this. Oops. Oh, you're changing my symbol too? Why? Why are you doing that? All right.
Screens go dark, I shut it down. Another day still afloat now.
Okay, so it's a bit wider. Either way. So you have the S&P breaking out, but at the same time, you had NASDAQ not doing it. So that is when I got bearish. Then everything pulled back at the same time, but Bitcoin just wasn't able to recover. I mean, it just chopped about while these kind of pumped and just stalled. Bitcoin just chopped. What is SMT divergence? It is when two or more highly correlated assets diverge on their highs and lows, on their price action. Swing highs and lows. So if you have price on, say, the ES, this S&P 500, and it's coming up and doing this, but the NASDAQ does this, just like I just showed you guys, you're getting a divergence between these two highly correlated assets. Now, why is that important? It's important because it shows that there was only enough momentum to put one side of the market or one part of the market, but not enough to push kind of everything. Therefore, you're much more likely to see them both roll over because there's just not enough money, essentially. It's kind of like one's faking you out and the other one's telling the real story. But you get the same between like the NASDAQ and Bitcoin, the SPY and Bitcoin, NASDAQ, SPY, and Bitcoin together. Like, you get them all the time too, this S&P divergences. And it's the same for bullish too. Bullish divergences. Bullish SMT. One's doing that. One's doing this. They're diverging. Showing that the momentum to the downside is stalling, and then they both go together. So it's really all about momentum and just the overall activity within the market. Yeah, look at that, just nasty. Solana sucks. Not gonna lie, this looks very much like something that wants to rip. Tell you guys, I mention this all the time, and that's just these up and down waves like this. When you get those up and down waves like that, you're just creating so many levels for stop losses to rest above. And it's the same when it's going to the upside, like this. Prime example. Just real wavy, ride the waves, right? But what happened? Came right back down to take all those lows. So it's the same concept on the way to the upside. That's one of the cleanest cleanest plays, I think. Like even this one. Now you didn't break the high. You didn't break this high, but you did come back for liquidity from all these highs, even sweeping this high up here. The only one it didn't get was the all-time high. Hey, Alexo Crypto. What's going on, bro? Outta gang. Thank you for stopping by, my friend. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Hope it's an amazing one. I know it will be. But yeah, like I was saying last night, this can still get another low put in it. Don't know if it will, and we'll see if it does. But we have created some equal highs here, so definitely keeping those on the scope. But also more of the chop slop to the downside, highs that want to get taken. Bunch of highs in here that want to get taken. All the chop slop on the way down. Highs that want to get taken. I mean, I hate getting bullish when we've been so bearish. It's kind of uncomfortable, but that's kind of the point. Some of the best opportunities are when it feels just so much like it's the wrong thing to do, but you're just going against the grain, kind of contrarian, you know. And we'll see. We shall see. God bless. Sorry I didn't get you to 1K subs yet. It's all good, bro. I was up to 869, and then I saw before the stream I was down to 866. I was like, yeah, it's fine. But I appreciate everything you do, all the support that you've provided me throughout the years. Yeah, I literally wouldn't be where I am today without you, bro. So I've got nothing, I'm nothing but grateful. 100%. So if we take an anchored VWAP from the swing low, from the bear market low, I mean, that's here at 102, 102.07. That does get down into this weekly wick. So I wouldn't mind a push down there and a bounce.
Blue lights flicker in my rearview mind. Every wrong turn feels
Ooh. All right. Let's look at. Well, well, bear market low to current time. Down to 20. That's got it down to 21. Guys, there's nothing here to catch us on our way down. On Solana, let's take this in. Okay, it's a little better. Well, the important thing is that most of the price act, or most of the volume. Okay, I need you to be a different color. Thank you. Most of the volume, where your point of is where your point of control is. So, I mean, this is where prices like to be, which is at 142, 143. That's where price has been oscillating for how long? We'll start this low. 700 days. 700. That's 2 years. Almost. That's almost 2 years. That's wild. It got into this range in December 23. Yeah, it's been 2 years. That's crazy. Is it just distribution, or is it accumulation before new highs? Now, honestly, to me, I was saying this months ago, and that was that I felt that this was a wave 4 that would lead to a wave 5. So, I still think this is possible. Still think that this is possible for sure. Got a nice flat correction, expanded flat. Show you what I'm talking about with that. What happened to my viewers? Jesus. Did my stream die? So yeah, this is... Yeah, that's an expanded flat with a WXY, perhaps. And then maybe we can get a bounce down here and start with a nice 5-wave impulse to the upside. So, there's your bullish hopium. Otherwise, I mean, we do have this node right here. I mean, this is just your general demand. Oops. So, yeah. But after that, you lose that. You lose this. Yeah, you lose this low, and you likely at 94. Actually, what's the low on that? 95.31. You're very likely to come down here to 57. Yep, 57 with this next high volume node. But I don't know, we might not get that. I mean, we're pretty bottomed out here on the weekly for Solana, so you got clipping on the weekly as well. What's our MVP say? Really? No green candles? Interesting. On a weekly, what about 3-day? Ah. Ooh. Thick with it. So this looks to me like accumulation. Price coming down, you see the volume picking up, and then it moves to the upside. Price starts coming down, volume starts to really pick up. We'll see. XRP. Not so much. Daily. ETH. Yeah, you see a little bit here in these lows. Same here. For the big move. BNB. BNB looks toppy. I totally forgot about that that trading view contest. Oops. Doge. Bad dog. Maybe we coiling up for a huge run in the near future. Maybe. I mean, it's possible. I mean, this looks kind of dead. Doge looks kind of dead. Ave. I've seen this many times though. Coming back down to the bear market lows. I want to see, let's take this, let's put that back on linear, do this. Let's go back to, or let's find Doge. Wait, this should have the history. Okay. Maybe not. Can't really see it. It had such a massive run. You really have to. So this kind of resembles current day price action. How I blocked off this lower level here. Now this one didn't come down to it, but pretty much the same concept. Maybe not so much. Nope, it's just dog crap. That's all it is. It's terrible. Too much. I mean, it's kind of the same thing, right? I don't know. Fractals aren't exactly a hard science or anything. And look, we very much diverged here. So yeah, I mean, it's similar, but this one looks more dead. Still potentially just an ABC that moves to the upside. Sweating. XRP's price is still 3.5 times from bear market lows. Yeah, XRP's been holding up very well for like 2.5 years. How long has it been? Okay, maybe a little, maybe a year, 13 months. 13 months. It's been in the same range. Same as Solana, right? So those have been holding up well. This one, however, is like one of the few altcoins that, or one of the few coins that got an ETF. ADA did get an ETF, didn't it? Honestly, don't know. SEC approval is pending due to regulatory reviews, creating market anticipation and institutional interest despite current delays from government issues in late 2025. Cardano will scoop up 200 million of ADA despite ETF freeze. What does that even mean? That's from November 11th. ADA approval may be weeks away. That was on November 28th. Well, if they don't have one yet, I think the government, well, at least Congress and all of them, they're already home for the holidays and won't be back until the new year. So I imagine it's the same. I have ADA. It's getting destroyed. Yeah, I mean, Shot the 886. Look at that. Let's flip this. Where's your support, bro?
Pressure on me, I don't break, I brace it. Cut a few off their way, replace it. All that talk, but they never in the deep end. Say they outside, but they never where the beef been. Say they whole rank, but I'm looking at a weak chain. Tryna ride mine, better learn how to think, man. Came from the floor where the tide hit fish. Now I run a whole ride.
30 cents. Come back for 30 cents. I mean, you can see we have multiple lows down here. Here, here, here. Really oscillated right around that 30-cent mark for a little while here in the bear market. So, looks like Cardano's fair value is 30 cents. And it's at 35. Man, that doesn't. All the ones that look like this, they're very sketch, bro. You'd be surprised how quickly things can change, though. Sweet. It's been down all year as well. I mean, the altcoin market pretty much died on Liberation Day. Hasn't been the same since. Dip load of ETFs. I have 0 ADA. I also have 0 altcoins. No, that's a lie. I've got like $2 here, $2 there, because I got out of all of my altcoins earlier this year. All right, so Bitcoin here on the weekly. We're printing a bunch of green candles here on the weekly. Man, if this MVP oscillator can get a flip, a ribbon flip. Look, big green chunky candles, big green chunky candles push to the upside. Big green chunky candles. What are we doing, Bitcoin? Bear market lows. Time to buy. I think Piper, shout out to Army Piper. I think he been going off the monthly? Because the monthly marks this bottom. The monthly marks that bottom. And that's all that we really have the data for that particular indicator. I mean, that's the entire history of Bitcoin, so. I still feel like this is just a flat correction. Running flat. Get front run the low, and then get that push to the upside. How can that happen? There's no money. There's no liquidity. Yada, 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 yada. Things can just happen, bro. Things can just happen. Leaving behind weekly fair value gaps. 3-day fair value gaps. I mean, most of that one. Equal highs. chop slop to the downside. Not even that. You're just leaving relatively equal highs. You're leaving these highs. You're leaving all of that behind. Eventually, I would expect us to come back for a lot of it. At least. I think we at least get back up to here. Back up to 108. 500. Yeah, I think we still at least get back up to there. Let's do the weekly. Okay, so maybe even 111, 457. And you got the 786 right there at 116, 116. Golden pocket at 108, 110. And a lot of people use this, or between the 618 and the 50% as their golden pocket. And that's right where that 105 or 106, 500 level is, or the midpoint between those two. Value area high of this range of this move to the downside. I'd like to see us get above that point of control at 90,000. So yeah, getting back above, I mean, that would be a nice psychological level to get above and to get a close above, especially on the higher time frames like the daily, 3-day, and weekly, especially the weekly. If we can get a weekly back above that, really I'd like to see us get back above this high. If we can get back above that, that's the one I really care about the most. I mean, the first step is the point of control on the lower time frames, but eventually, I mean, I still want to see us get above this high, because this is your move down. So whether we front run the low and come up, or we sweep the low and come up, either way works for me, and either way is definitely possible. So for me, it's just about which one are we gonna get. So we can flip that high and get a continuation, then I'll become pretty bullish, especially on alts. I think alts could run, because I think at the very least we do get at least a dead cat bounce, if not new all-time highs. But I know that's not popular to say right now, but that's what makes me want to say it. I'm always trying to go against the trend, against the herd. But one thing that would concern me, though, and this is why you kind of have to have that chilling effect on the market, and you got to get into that fear and greed for long periods of time. But because if the fear and greed, if we start getting like extreme greed before we've even broken out to new all-time high, then that'll be a pretty good sign that it's probably just a dead cat bounce. It's probably going to roll over. But if people are still fearful, even as Bitcoin's moving to the upside, that's a pretty good sign that people might be on the offsides on the market, wrong-footed, as some would say. Good evening, Jesse. Merry Christmas to you, my friend. Or good morning to you as well, because it is early for you. FVG at 382. 383. What? Oh, at the 382. Yeah, we got a weekly FEG here at the 382. So it's definitely a level to watch. Now, with that said, typically it's this push up that would have tagged the fair value gap that would send us lower, typically. But instead, it actually came up short of hitting that FEG and continued lower, leaving it behind. So this would act, in my opinion, it would probably act more as rocket fuel for a continuation to the upside instead of a level to reject from. Maybe even, I mean, it might get on the lower time frames a rejection, but you know, just a few days later, maybe a week later, it can continue going. What you don't want is for the weekly to wick in there and then close below. Because if it does that, then we'll have to see if it closes above this high. But if it wicks into that FEG and then comes down, closes both below both the FEG and this high, then we'll probably still at least be down here for a little while longer before it wants to actually reverse. Man, a whole nother month of just nothing. Can you handle it? So yeah, I'd like to see this kind of drift up. We already have a bullish divergence here. Hidden bullish divergence. Whoops. But yeah, we already have a hidden bullish divergence here on the weekly. That's your first signal there. Yeah, I'm starting to get bullish. I mean, at the very least, short term, dead cat bounce. Thinking about the dead cat bounce, but also considering that we could go to new all-time highs for whatever reason. Sometimes they just do things for reasons, man. They be in the charts. They be in the assets. Exclamation point MH. Wrong chat, Jesse. I don't think that works in my chat. I should probably get some stuff linked up. I don't know. I'll get it figured out. What if this is our dead cat bounce? Arrow. Dead. Virtual. Dead. And watch, they'll all just freaking rip. That's something I haven't looked at in a while. Let's take a gander. BTC pairs. Let's see. XRP BTC. What are we doing here? So it's still holding its lows against Bitcoin. Zcash. Of course, it's been super bullish. Quant. Let's go to the weekly. Quant does not look very good against Bitcoin. ETH. I say XRP. Quant does not look good for Bitcoin compared to Bitcoin. Man, look at that. Ethereum just losing that dominance against Bitcoin. But a nice bounce here. And this looks like the looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get something like that. And you look for an ABC, and then you look for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, you're talking about 2 years of bullishness. Maybe it wouldn't be that. Maybe it wouldn't take that long. Who knows? I mean, look back here. Look at these. This is completely different. Whoop. Now we are in different times as well, so keep that in mind. Between the ETFs, all the oh, that's really it. Just the ETFs, the big money, the institutions. It might take longer to get to those highs. Maybe we do have a very bullish 2026. Who knows? We'll be finding out soon enough. I'm not here to blow nothing but hopium, though. H-bar doesn't look great against Bitcoin. But then again, this could be completing an ABC, and it might do another shoot up against Bitcoin that looks like that, if not more. You'd be surprised how easy it is to push these altcoins, especially ones with the good tokenomics, ones with good TVLs, ones with good liquidity, good volume. Well, I mean, even the ones that are illiquid the ones that are illiquid can really see their prices shoot up quickly because it's easier to mark them up. Sol versus BTC. I'm trying to stay steady in the storm of the day, 'cause the markets don't care what I'm trying to say. It's such an ugly chart. But I breathe slow, let the moment unfold. Ain't no rush to the goal. It kind of looks like you had accumulation, a push, a little bit of distribution, drop down, maybe a reaccumulation. It's expanding. I could see that. Momentum, the lows on the momentum have been shifting more towards the upside. But that would suggest that this would actually bounce sooner than coming down all the way here. But regardless, I mean, that's not even the correct lows. Hey, have you ever heard of a trend line? Oof. Breakdown, come up, reject, front row. What up, K Diggity? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Can you explain how to read the chart of an alt compared to BTC? I can't see it. Huh? I don't understand the question. You read them all the same. How to read the chart of an alt compared to BTC? I can't see it. Oh. So I mean, it's just like any other chart, really. You're just looking at how they're performing against Bitcoin. One of the reasons why you would do that is because you want to see what alts are actually holding up pretty well against Bitcoin, especially while Bitcoin is moving to the downside. It just shows strength in the altcoin, whatever it is. But I mean, most of them are just dying against Bitcoin. Well, I mean, you do have quant that's Yeah, I mean, it's favoring downside, but compared to this, it's kind of flat, right? Which, you know, if we look at our Bitcoin dominance, I mean, we've been flat since October of last year, basically. So what is this? Is this dominance going from Bitcoin into altcoins? Maybe not that low, who knows? Or is Bitcoin consolidating against altcoins and then gonna pop up? I think it'll be the Bitcoin show before it'll be the altcoin show, which means we would get a push in Bitcoin dominance. And then once dominance peaks, which was be more here, because that's where it's peaked, which is about 70% dominance. See, we've come up short. But this long consolidation period could be, even though alts are moving to the downside, could be whales stacking up on their altcoins. And then Bitcoin gets pumped. Why does Bitcoin get pumped? To draw in retail. Bitcoin gets going to draw in retail. Whales still stacking the altcoins as you're pushing to the upside. So a lot of alts will go with Bitcoin. A lot of alts will kind of slowly get moving, and then drop when Bitcoin pops, and then run run when Bitcoin is going into a retracement after it tops. That is the general idea of what I'll be looking for any kind of all season, if we already get one. Bitcoin's got to top. It's gotta push real high. It's gotta drop, and then it's gotta go into a retrace. Let's see. A Russell 2000 still holding above the highs. It did get a close above the all-time high on the weekly, so that's good. Nice, kind of looks more consolidation at the highs here. Let's see. Potential move down to take this low before heading back to the upside. Oh man, I totally forgot I was gonna do a giveaway of stickers tonight. If you want them, do you want them? Put a 1 in the chat if you want me to do a giveaway for LBC stickers.
To the beat when the set up a line, patience in my pocket, profits on my mind. I move with the market, cool and divine. You can't rush the groove when the groove takes time. Yeah, I'm vibing with the trend like it's
I might do it later. Maybe I'll do it on Christmas Day. Jesus saves, I gotta send you yours. But I did get stamps. Uh-oh. No, I'm kidding. I did get stamps. I did get envelopes. I just need I'll have time, since I'm off work for the next 10 days. I'll have time to get it done. We got 2 1s in the chat. We have to do it when we have more people.
rush that trade. If it ain't in my plan, then it ain't getting played. The market got a heartbeat, and me, I'm on tempo. I move with the market.
Play your LBC intro song next. Love that song. I'll play it on the way out. I put on for LBC. We are at the top of the hour. Did a little bit more high time frame stuff today. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's exactly what I was talking about. Don't really care for these candles though. Money flow still red. I don't know. I kind of want to equal highs. I mean, super tight stop. I don't really trust it. I want to see a bullish engulfing candle. I kind of got about 1 minute. Equal lows. Bullish engulfing. Just leaving behind equal lows.
Trend like it's all choreographed, every high hitting like a photograph. I don't beg for a trade, I let the trade pick me. In a piece is the edge that they just can't see. Some folks panic when the wick turns red, but I'm cooling back, let it clear its head. Momentum got a rhythm.
We'll see what it does there, if it comes back for those equal lows or not. But anyways, do it with more viewers. That's fine. I appreciate it, bud. Yeah, it looks juicy. Full send. I just kind of ran out of time. We could go on a little bit longer if we want to do it. I'm just trying to think, like, whose video do I want you to go spam? Maybe one of my own? No, I want you to say ride the waves on somebody's video. Should we do it to Alex? I'll do it when we have a more active chat. Probably got a lot of people traveling, doing things and stuff. Maybe I'll do a contest in the Discord. Maybe a Bitcoin price contest? People like Bitcoin price contests. Maybe we'll do price of Bitcoin at the close on Christmas Day. Close at Christmas Day. So 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, close at Christmas Day. Maybe I'll throw in some USDT. But I need to start giving away these stickers. So let's do it. Let's do a Bitcoin price contest. Join the Discord. Thank you all for joining me this evening. Do greatly appreciate you all. And I'll see you in the Discord. I hope everyone has a very, very Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. I'll be back after Christmas. And then, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens while we're gone. But yeah, I hope you all have an amazing Merry Christmas. And hope you all stay safe. Enjoy time with your family, your families, and your kids if you got kids. All that good jazz. You're all beautiful an amazing. Since I won't be having a stream Christmas day, night, give someone a compliment. Do something kind for someone. Try to make someone's day. Put a smile on someone's face. By pointing out something that you notice about them that you like. Hey, nice shirt. Hey, I like that necklace. Whoa, there's some new kicks. Whatever it is, just be kind and enjoy the holiday. I will see you all on the other side. Hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep and even better Christmas day. And Wednesday. Tomorrow, Christmas Eve. Come on. Just getting that pump. All right, guys. My love. Have a good night. Hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, all that good jazz. I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Good night. Ride the waves. Bye.
I put on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. Over LBC. I put on LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the way we ride. I've been grinding through the nights while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Screens glow blue in the dead of night. Candles breathing red and white. Every tick feels personal. Every move feels irreversible. I've chased breakouts, I've paid the fee. Learned the hard way about leverage greed. Lines on charts like fault lines. Split one bad click and you counterfeit. Heart rate rising with the spread. I don't trade hope, I trade what's said. I'm against the trend, still holding ground. Cut my losses before they drown. No revenge trades, no empty prayers. I size my risk cause I know the snare. If it stops me up, I reload my frame. Survive the storm, Liquidity hunts in the quiet hours. Wicks like teeth, they smell your fear. They shake the tree, they fake the move. Take the weak before the truth. I don't need wins every single day, just consistency that pays my way. Discipline louder than my doubt. Patience prints when I wait it out. I miss the move, I don't chase the high. There's always another setup by. I'm against the trend, still holding ground. Cut my losses before they drown. No revenge trades, no empty prayers. I size my risk cause I know the snare. If it stops me out, I reload my frame. Survive the storm, but soar. Protect the game. Flat is a position, silence too. Sometimes doing nothing's the pro move. I don't fight tape, I don't fight time. I let the market show its head, not mine. I'm against the trend, still breathing calm. Risk appetite, emotions gone. If they sweep lows just to reverse, I'll catch the move, not chase the curse. One good trade can fix the mess, but one bad habit ends the test. Screens fade dark, I shut it down. Capital intact, that's how I win now. Blue screens glow like moonlit seas. Candles rise and drown beneath. Every wave's a loaded gun. Pull too fast and the damage done. I've chased tops, I've bled on lows. Paid tuition just to know you don't fight the undertow. You ride the wave or you let it go. Fear comes loud when the spread gets wide. Don't pray for winds, I manage the ride. We're wave riders, not the ones who drown. We don't chase pumps when the tide runs wild. Cut losses quick, let winners run. Survive the storm till the damage is done. If the market breaks, I won't break down. Wave riders, don't drown. Liquidity sweeps like coastal storms. Fake breakouts in trader form. Wicks reach down, take stops for sport, then reverse like nothing before. I stay calm when the water's rough. Risk kept tight, that's close enough. No revenge trades, no hero plays, just patience stacking day by day. If I miss the move, I don't dive in late. There's always another tide to wait. We're wave riders, not the ones who drown. We don't chase pumps when the tide runs wild. Cut losses quick, let winners run. Survive the storm till the damage is done. If the market breaks, I won't break down. Wave riders, don't drown. Flat is a position, still water too. Sometimes the best trade's nothing to do. I don't fight tape, I don't fight time. I let the wave decide the line. We're wave riders, scars in the wake. Still choosing discipline over the shake. If they sweep low just to turn it around, I'll catch the move, not chase it down. Capital safe, mind lock sound. Wave riders, don't drown. Wave riders, don't drown. Wave riders, don't drown. Dreams go dark, I shut it down. Another day, still afloat now.